morning, everybody, and good morning, ladies. I see the neighbour put his cows back into that paddock this morning. They got the second half, so I think that's a sign it could be drying off in the next few days. So we'll be there's still another 3 cow sheds going on the road here, on the same road as us. So it's pretty cool. Not too many left going still now. We made it. Cows are the cow shed, happy as. Why do we park the bike over here? Because the cows will tend to use the bike as a scratching post, and they generally will turn straight after leaving that area there. It's turned to go straight down the road, so if they do come over here they can use it as a scratching post, and what happens is they bend the handlebars and can break the brakes on the motorbike. So yeah, we don't want that. That's why we park it out of the way. Right, let's get to milking. Dad's not here yet. That's alright. He'll get here when he gets here. Generally arrives within the first 2 rows. See, I told you he'd make it. He'd make it. Morning, Dad.
Morning, cow.
How we go? Yep, we got a couple of cows self-dried. One on that row. I think there's one on this row.
A lot more later on.
Oh yeah.
Yes, and cut me finger.
Cut his finger. Look, oh, did you? He
Bought
don't even use it.
Bought Mum new knives and it attacked me.
Yep. Oh yeah. You guys quite sharp, you know.
Oh, very.
Right, carry on. Definitely dropped off a cliff. Where's our self-drive? Couple off. One down.
I gotta go.
Yep, come on.
You want to shut the gate?
One more. Go. That'll do it. Good girls. Go, ladies. Up we go. Dad doesn't usually get to close the gate very often. So I'm pushing these girls up. Cow bunch. The neighbour over there. The cows. Come on. Come on, girls. Up we go. There we go. Right, let's let these girls through. See how many we got so far. Self-dried. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. Alright, let's keep going. Dan seems to think there's going to be a few more in the last couple of rows here. Good. And even another 2 out of the last row. Awesome. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. And of course, peanut food got there. So we got 13 in the mob that drive themselves on. You're all on. What's your guess for today, Dad?
What did we say last time?
38 last time.
38, probably a lot quicker today. Probably will be 31.
Oh, I'm going to say
31.80.
I'm going to say 33.50. Oh, see who's close. Right. Back to the job. Nah, standard out. Acid. Right, let's go down and we're going to feed out 6 bales this morning. Change of plans. These girls are going into one of the paddocks that were grazed not too long ago. Dad's going to let these girls go right behind me. Don't see much through that one, they're quite dusty. So you're going to let those 13 go right behind me. And they're going to follow us down. We should have enough time to go put a silage bale on and bring those girls down with us to the next paddock. Paddock being just a bit further down where the cows were yesterday. Not yesterday, sorry, the day before. So we're going to set up so that the girls go straight through to us with the silage bales, and so they can't go down towards the other girls down that way. Then we'll grab 2 bales of silage and go out feed out to those girls, the milking girls. Sorry, that mob is coming too, but might as well get this mob first in there. This is gonna work. Come on, girls, come on, come on. Alright, girls, mate, come this way. Come on, girls, come on. Come on, girls, come on. Come on, come on. Perfect. Come on, girls. Good Shadow. Yeah, good girl. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, girls. Come on, come on. Come on, Shadow. Come on, girls. Come on. Yeah, the dry girls come and the dry dogs. Oh, self-employed, they come. There's always got to be one taking their time to get out of the paddock. I don't know why she's taking her time. That's right, we should be heading that way when these girls come through. And then we can rest them through. They got their bale of silage. And they're going to go around and nip this paddock off, hopefully nip some of these rushes off too. Your daddy brought the last of the dry girls in here. Right, let's go. Gonna load up with 2 bales of silage. Right, let's get down there and go feed out to these girls down the paddock. They're waiting for us. I thought that was gonna happen. Yeah, Dad said 2 bales today for tonight. He's already setting up the paddock over there in number 5. There he is. Sitting up the paddock. Good. I was just talking to Dad. We're going to go clean out the calf pens now. He's got the digger running, ready to go, and I've just got to go put the tip trailer on the other tractor, and then we will be ready to go and dump some old calf shavings. They're just going to go. They're going to go in the paddock just by the house because there's quite a low spot there, and we need to build that up for the calves this season. Because the calves have been making quite a mess there. They did last year, so if we put it in that area, it'll just raise it up and stop it from sinking down too much. Just shifted the little spreader by the generator here. Cleaned out the calf pens today. Why haven't we started yet? Well, the digger needs 2 new batteries. It just won't turn over. So we'll get 2 new batteries for her. So now I've got a few things to clean out anyways. I've got to take that hell of grass seed, take all that wood down the farm to our good wood pile that's in our back shed. One of our bags of grass seed leaking, but I can't see any of them. Just pulled them all off, but none of them are leaking. So somewhere along the line there was a bag on top that had a hole in it. It's gone everywhere. It's untreated seed, so it's none of the expensive ones. It's probably one like this, just a standard rye grass. Probably one of those. That's all I can think of it is. Because it's mostly, oh well, what you can do about it. Work smarter, not harder. Already carried one of the drums over. Why do we put the grass seed on the drums? Is because that way we don't get, the rats don't go for the grass seed. Gotta put it up high out of their reach. actually down right there. Happy with it there now. Right, let's go and grab this tractor trailer and remove this wood that's in our way. So then we're going to take down the big shed where the ripper is, the single road chopper, and all that. There we go, got all our wood on board. That was just sitting in the back of the shed here. So that wood's primarily is going to go, and stuff on the right I'm going to put in the shed because that's all reusable. Stuff on the left here, it's got nails poking out of it everywhere. Bits too short, some starting to rot. So those bits are going to go and get chucked in the in with the stumps. Dad's back, he's just got a fella coming out to check the digger, make sure it's all alright.
Check the alternator.
Yep, and if the alternator needs fixing, we'll have to do the shavings another day. Well, shaving, sorry. Clean out the calf pens another day and let it dry out. But if it's good, we'll get to it. Right, let's go. Everyone knows when to arrive, Dad. There's Dad, there's Mum. And here comes Dad. We got that on the back because Dad wants that down. The stuff on the left there. We're going to drop it off in there just in case we need it. And here comes Tanker, there's Mum. Alright, just going to drop the wood off on the left and the little baling twine there into the down the back. Wow, that fence is going well, very well. I'll show you those shorts we took out. Arrow! Oh wow, be puppy go. Some wood on the off now. Got our bit of baling twine, we'll probably chuck it there. And then actually see those bits of wood over there. We'll grab this too small or the crap one. Put this wood in the wood and with the stumps. Sorry I didn't show you that. Should have. Quite often I forget to do that. There we go. It's all empty. Right. See what Dad's got planned today. Gotta close this gate first. Got it right, the bugger. What was it? 31.17. 31.17. You wasn't far off. I think you're only 23 litres off. Alright, we started cleaning out the pens. That's one pen done really quick, so because Dad can reach the back of this pen, but can't reach the back of these other pens. So that's where I'll jump in with the spade and shovel it to the front. First pen done. Just gonna push this pulley and pull it all over and then make another hole. He's happy yet. It is element. Okay, well. So don't want to carry any bugs over from next season, that's why we change up our shavings. Going really well. And then that last one. Let's move those gates. Oh, no toot yet. He thinks he can get more on there. Then we're going to do that end pin just over there on the left there. And then... Right, let's go. And then... we can... once we've done that, then I can move those gates and probably hang up most of them. Put most of them hanging. Right. Let's go. Next load. I get a little bit of mess of the driveway, but that's alright. It's nice and close. Made it. So put 3 piles around here because this makes a nice area for us to get out with the cafeteria to feed out on, and just put some more shavings in this area here. As you see, it's quite wet. We're going to continue to put more shavings in that area. And that's us. We're going to go try to do some fencing now, see if Dad can get the bucket underneath those trees. We do need to trim those trees. As you can see, nice and cleaned out now. Beautiful, down to the dirt. That's what we want. Then we'll be able to put some more shavings on top. Well, let's go down and see how it's looking. Dad's going to have a play with that pile. We're going to grab some posts and some fencing gear. But my phone's nearly out of power. A lot easier way of doing it with the tractor, trailer and the digger, because Dad used to do it all with a tractor bucket. Just a tractor with a bucket. Get as far as he could, generally probably only about halfway up to there, about that point there, and then the rest of it had to dig it all out by hand, shovel. So that's how he used to do it. Now it's a digger, makes it a heck of a lot easier. Okay, got our posts on board. Let's go and do this fencing. Dad's just having a play, and we'll go and check some posts, see which ones are broken and see which ones aren't, and replace them. Look at that, perfect. I'll come back soon. We'll bring down our insulators and everything and put some more in. Let's keep going. Have a look soon. This way. This way. Down. Beauty. Push her in. Yep, wow. A bit too far, but I think that'll be alright, as long as he does the electrical wire. Beauty, that's it. All done. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that post too much. The important thing is that it's going to be holding the electrical wire. The other wires don't really matter. The top wire doesn't matter. That second wire is the important one, and that's as long as that one's held up. The rest don't really matter, as long as they're on that post. Everybody, just finished me lunch. It's just gone 3 o'clock. Only been home for about half an hour. Show you what we did. Well, my phone decided to stop. It's a fig tree. I'm not the biggest fan of the figs, neither is Dad. None of our friends really ate figs, so we pulled that fig tree out and redone this fence here. There's a couple of these posts were broken, so ready for carving. We're going to end up putting a wire post across there. You come, Bobo? Must be waiting for something. There's cats or something over there. Where, Bobo? And yeah, we did a few little things like that. It's been awesome. Got a nice productive day. Hello, ladies. Ready to get shifted. Come on, girls. Wait. Bend him up. You stood on it. And the race is on. It's all set up for them. Good girls. Hey. So it's only about 194, sorry, at this mob now. Right, let's get in there. We'll go around, check the drains. Hello, 181. You happy you get another season, girl? Well, I only thought you were covered, mate. You're covered, mate, too. That's right. Okay. See us up the front, girls. Hello, 205. Usually first out the gate. You're the one who annoys me in the morning. Hey? Hey? Right, good girls. Mosey on up. Girls are slowly moving their way up that way. We'll set up their paddock for tomorrow. They get 2 bales in there, and then they get the next half of the paddock where they are going tonight with another 2 bales. Absolutely beautiful tonight. That, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you. Stunning. Just washing the vat, and here's what we said. And as you see here, that's fine, not a grade or anything. So what we've done for the season so far, season to date. It's going really well. This time last year we'd dried off, so we've done 5,000 more silage over the whole thing. It's good. Mainly last year, yeah. 2 pickups to go. As you can see, the semantic's getting quite high, so that just shows you some cows starting to dry themselves off. Alright, well, with that, I'll see you all in the morning.